Hello guys, John here from AudaCity Capital, the head of trading. Hope you're all well. So today I'm here to discuss the journey of one of our traders on the Funded Trader program, Lunescu, who just hit his 10% target today on the $15,000 trading account, and now he is going to stage 2. He's progressed to managing $30,000. So he's been paid. His account got doubled on the same day, which is today. So what I'd like to do is just to take this moment to go through the journey of his trading from stage 1 to stage 2 and see how he got there. So first of all, if we can have a look, it was in April, 7th of April, when Lunescu came on board and received 15,000 US dollars from us, and today is the 5th of June when he made his 10%, as you guys can see right here, between basically yesterday and today. So it's a while. It's 2 months it took him, which is perfectly fine. You know, like I said, some people may do it in a month or less. Some people it may take them between 2 to 3 months, which is a quarter, which is an industry norm. So how did he do it? Let's have a look. So if we look at his volume, his exposure, starting very small, 0.08, 0.07, pretty much kept it nice and small. He managed to catch some big wins with those small volume, over $100, just under $100, more or less, trading at quite small volume actually. So that shows that he can actually catch a good number of pips in the market. So he doesn't really care about the lot size. He just cares about catching the right trades, being very selective, and taking as many pips as possible, maximizing his winning trades, which is very important in trading. It's a core in the trading strategy and the trading approach to let your winners run, so you can maximize profits, because not many trades will pay you too many pips in the market. So it's good to take advantage of those that are going in your way for as long as possible. So as we can see, after a while, he's upped the exposure. He's started to go 0.15. Again, keeping it nice and variable, a bit less, 0.1, just over 0.1 and under that. Nothing crazy. And then he started to go 0.2 and maybe a few 0.3 positions in the market, or just about that. So if we have a look at this exposure-wise to start off, he did not really care about going the maximum exposure. The maximum exposure he can have in the market is 0.5, which is $5 per pip. This is he hasn't even gone 0.4. He didn't open one trade at 0.4 even. So this shows me that Lunescu, as a trader, can trade with skill. He doesn't care about trying to, go big in the market and just take small profits at massive volume like a gambling attitude. He goes in with selective trades, tries to catch as many pips as possible with a decent volume to obviously make profit in the market. So those are the traits of a trader who has discipline, good risk management, and that's very good. So the pairs, all Forex pairs, major pairs, cross pairs, as you can see, the list is here in front of your eyes. No commodities, no indices. So he doesn't need any other market to make the 10%. And if we look at the outcome of the trades, a big win, 0.2. Look at that, 0.25. He's had a few good winning trades there. As you can see, he has had maybe one big loss here, maybe a few other losses like this one and this one at this volume. So yes, he's lost a few big trades. This one was quite a big one, as you can see. But he's also made trades and taken away big profit as well. So the risk to reward ratio of his trading is in his favor. And as you can see, he's had a more series of winning trades than a series of losing trades. So he has a high hit rate with his strategy. Good consistency there. A high consistency. More winning trades basically frequently, and less losing trades one after the other. So again, this person on the Founder Trader program started off with a $15,000 trading book, trading within our risk parameters and trading parameters. No weekend positions, no high volume, no news trading, major news trading that is. And he didn't trade commodities or indices. He just traded Forex without even utilizing the maximum exposure that we offered him. And he made 10%. Yes, it took him 2 months, but who cares? The fact is he made 10% in less than a quarter. This is what professional traders do. They find a way. Those traders who have a good strategy, a high hit rate, and a good risk to reward ratio in their trading will make money in the market. No question about that, actually. There is no doubt or no question about that. It's a fact. It's just a fact. It's either you know how to trade, you have a strategy that works with good consistency, high hit rate, good risk to reward ratio. It doesn't matter the amount you start with, it doesn't matter the maximum exposure that you could trade, because you could still make money in the market. You could still grow the account. And from this, just these small volumes right here, less than $1 a pip, 70, 80 cents per pip. Even still, he opened a few, but then he was going $1 to $2, $2.50. Like I said, he maybe had 1 or 2 trades at 0.3. So he actually kept it nice and small there, and he still made 10%. So this is proof numbers don't lie. This is a clean trading statement. That's what I would say. It's a clean trading statement with, results that are really outstanding results. Okay? For someone like that to come on board, trade with this volume, hit 10%, trading within the risk and trading parameters that we provide that person, that trader, Lunescu, as I'm talking about him, shows that he can be successfully profitable over the long term and consistent. So, what I would say is this. For those of you who would like to apply for the Founder Trader program and you have a strategy that works, or for those of you who already have applied and the strategy is working for you, stop seeing or perceiving the parameters as restrictions, because they're not. They're not restrictions. We're not asking for the impossible. A 10% return with the exposure, risk parameters, trading parameters we provide you in the market to trade, which is Forex, is easily doable. Easily doable. So that way you guys can do it. Okay? And if you have not noticed this just yet, allow me to tell you now. These videos are happening very frequently, which means our traders are making 10% on a regular basis. It's not like once every 2-3 months I'm doing a video about one of our traders, showing you how he did it with the risk parameters, the pairs, the outcome, whether it's pending orders or manual execution. It's actually every couple of weeks. That shows you that our traders are profitable and making money. So why can't that be you, is the question you should ask yourself. So I look forward to doing more of these in the future, so you guys can start to realize that you can do it as well. Okay? Do likewise. Bye for now. Take care.